Welcome back to KK Autos. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Jaecoo J7 2025, a stylish and capable SUV that blends modern design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. This latest model from Jaecoo aims to make a strong statement in the competitive SUV market, offering a premium driving experience with rugged capabilities. Let's take a closer look at what this vehicle has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the Jaecoo J7 2025 presents a bold and futuristic design that immediately grabs attention. The front fascia features a large, intricately designed grille with chrome accents, seamlessly integrating with the sleek LED headlights that offer exceptional visibility. The sharply sculpted lines across the hood and fenders give the J7 a muscular, yet refined look. The LED daytime running lights add a modern touch, enhancing both aesthetics and safety. Moving to the side profile, the aerodynamic silhouette, high ground clearance, and stylish alloy wheels create an imposing stance. The blacked-out wheel arches and side skirts emphasize its rugged appeal, while the sloping roofline and chrome window trim add a premium feel. At the rear, the connected LED taillights stretch across the width, giving it a sophisticated look, while the sculpted bumper and dual exhaust outlets reinforce its sporty character. The power tailgate and rear spoiler complete the SUV's dynamic, yet functional design, making it stand out on the road. Stepping inside, the Jaecoo J7 2025 welcomes you to a high-tech and luxurious cabin. Premium materials such as soft-touch leather, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The dashboard is sleek and uncluttered, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity. The center console is neatly organized with a minimalist gear selector, wireless charging pad, and multiple storage compartments. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent comfort and support, with options for ventilated and heated functions. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, thanks to the smart interior layout. The panoramic sunroof enhances the cabin's airy feel, while the multi-zone climate control ensures a comfortable ride for all occupants. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the premium sound system, advanced voice commands, and an AI-powered assistant that enhances the driving experience. Safety is also a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking providing peace of mind. Under the hood, the Jaecoo J7 2025 delivers an impressive performance package. It is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that produces 197 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the power delivery is seamless, offering a dynamic yet efficient ride. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it a capable performer on various terrains. The suspension is finely tuned to balance, comfort, and agility, providing a refined driving experience whether on highways or rough roads. With multiple drive modes, including Eco, Normal, Sport, and Off-Road, the J7 adapts effortlessly to different driving conditions. Fuel efficiency is also commendable, making it an excellent choice for those seeking performance without compromising on economy. When it comes to pricing, the Jaecoo J7 2025 offers great value for its segment. The starting price is expected to be around $30,000, making it a competitive option among premium SUVs. Higher trims with additional luxury and technology features could go up to $40,000, depending on the market and optional packages. With its impressive features, advanced technology, and well-balanced performance, the Jaecoo J7 presents itself as a strong contender in the SUV market, appealing to those who want a blend of luxury, capability, and affordability. That wraps up our detailed review of the Jaecoo J7 2025. What are your thoughts on this SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video!